Honorable Minister for Railways is flagging off the train from New Delhi to release the South Central Rail.
2016 is a very good for us. So many successes, including railway department also. 2017 will be the better than 2016. I am confident we will benchmark ourselves one of the best state in India at far international standards. I am very happy. We have to give today and tomorrow, 2 days are there. We have to give send off to 2016, welcome 2017. My dear friend, we will meet in 2017 for planning for future. With this, I am thanking all of you. Thank you one and all.